Hi, my name is Alan Wright, inventor of the Showerpowerbooster. This is it. This is our most popular model, the SP2B. And I've got a customer called Spike, and I decided to do a little video to help him. The problem he's got is that the pump isn't kicking in. And when a pump kicks in, it needs 1.5 litres a minute to do so. And that may be the problem. But let's have a look at the pump. If you take one out, you'll end up with the barrel and the pump as shown. You'll see the blue light is on. And the first thing we want to do is just make sure that the flow switch is working. So you see short puffs will kick off the flow switch. If you now try and do it again, there's a delay before it reactivates. Give it long enough, it'll start again. To do the ultimate test, we're going to make this pump work manually. So unplug the flow switch and plug it straight into the motor. And okay, the pump is running, the light is off because we're not going through the flow switch. Let's see if it's actually working. So if you'd like to come forward, oops, dropped out. Working lovely, okay? Thank you.